Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make soft and melt in mouth Kaju Katli. This will get ready in just less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need 2 cups of cashew, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon rose water, and edible silver work, which is optional. Grind the cashews in the grinder jar. We have to just pulse it and now sieve it so that all the large particles will come out, and then you can again pulse it in the mixer jar. Take 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. In this I have added the rose water. Mix sugar and water on at low to medium heat. Keep on mixing till the sugar melts, and then when bubbles appear, you can see the big bubbles, and when they appear, lower the gas and check for one string consistency. You can see. Add cashew nut powder to the sugar syrup and mix it well. Make sure the mixture is not very lumpy. There will not be any lumps of the cashew nut, and we have to do this on low heat, not the medium, only low heat, so that everything will get mixed nicely. Friends, I have not sieved the cashew nut powder, so that's why you can see the big parts or some big parts of the cashew nut, but I was okay if it is not sifted. But if you want soft Kaju Katli, then please sift it well so that you will get the proper market style texture. Okay, so we will add 1 teaspoon of ghee to this to get that glaze, and mix it well. Switch off gas when the mixture is leaving the sides. It is good if you are using the non-stick pan here. I am using the stainless steel, that's why it got more hot. Now take 1 teaspoon of ghee on parchment paper and spread it, and take out the whole cashew nut mixture on that parchment paper. Now we have to knead this dough. Here this parchment paper is very strong, and we are using this to fold the dough. As this dough is very hot, we cannot do it by hands. That's why we are using parchment paper. You can use silicone sheet or any thick plastic sheet, but I don't like to do it with plastic sheet, so parchment paper is good. When we do this, because of this the dough will get smooth, so we have to do this till it gets smooth, and then roll it out. Roll this Kaju Katli till the thickness we want, and apply silver work. This is very optional. If you don't want, don't do that. And cut into the required pieces and required shape, like square or diamond, and see, in just less than 30 minutes our melt in mouth soft Kaju Katli is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.